In this video you can see the final stages of a patio awning being installed. It's been fitted to the side return where they've had a new extension built and bifolding doors out onto the patio. The awning will provide shade for the patio area as well as the space in the house too. And as you can see on the front hem bar there's a small valance to help with the shading too. We particularly like these awnings as they have their special little details that you don't generally get on other awnings, where all the bracketry and nuts and bolts are concealed with little cover plates. So as you can see here, the engineer is installing the final plates, having secured the awning onto the brackets by the wall. In the next little section you'll see close-ups of the plates, and as you can see there, none of the brackets used and screws and bolts to secure the awning in place are on view. Finally, here's the view of the awning over the garden, and so the space underneath will create a lovely area to drink your coffee in the morning and enjoy the summer days.